Welcome Technophilers. Audi Icon astounding conceptual unmanned electric vehicle was unveiled in 2017 International Motor Show in Frankfurt. First of all, it has no control system whatsoever. There's no steering wheel or pedals. That's because the Audi Icon can boast of having the highest fifth level of driving automation. Another interesting feature is the unique lithium battery that provides a range of up to 800 kilometers. When this concept car was introduced, it was almost record-breaking. According to the designers, in the future own vehicles won't be possibly common transportation infrastructure, which can make the traffic flow smoother because the vehicles don't accelerate and brake all the time. That's why this means seat belts. Speaking of high-tech features, think personal assistants that recognizes the owner as the passengers. It remembers the settings of the seats. For more convenience, the passenger seats were equipped with swivel mechanisms. If desired, front row passengers can turn around to face the rear row passengers. They would assume luggage compartments to the front and back. They have a total capacity of 600 liters. Climates, and the entertainment systems, and adjust them all independently. You're moved from place to place faster, even at a speed of 130 km per hour. The chance of an accident is minimal. The advanced touchscreen displays a line to control the menu items with your eyes as well. Lexus LS. A few years ago, experts of the Japanese company Lexus faced a challenge. They needed to show the world the brand's view on what the electric cars of the future will be like. You must say that the engineers did a great job, producing amazing concept car, the Lexus LS30. Everything in this car, from the outlines to the interior, implements the most daring ideas and turns dreams into reality. There is a gesture recognition system too. Also available is an augmented reality system. It shows information about the vehicle status. There is no engine in the usual sense of the word. Instead, each wheel has its own electric motor. The absence of an engine under the hood allows designers to experiment with the front of the car, and it's the grille. All controls are located at one point on the steering controller. The projection display is also located here. And probably the most important feature of the Lexus LFA30 is the autonomous driving mode, because it will be essential in the future. Pour over the color of the front past the car, as well as the luminescent parts of the design, indicate whether a person or the autopilot is driving. The diamond-shaped headlights and aerodynamic air intakes capture it the moment you see the vehicle. The transparency at the side windows is also adjustable. Citroën 1990's concept was GA. The French company Citroën celebrated its 100th anniversary. The 1919 concept electric cars produced to mark this occasion. The desired state that it recreates a lounge experience on wheels. Every detail of it is aimed at increasing the comfort and the safety of the passengers. The system also eliminates tilting and swaying. The autonomous driving technology allows you to relax and not think about traffic rules. A personal assistant will talk to the passengers and entertain them. It also monitors traffic jams independently, and indicates the best moment to depart. The driver's seat has a lot of settings, and a speaker in the headrest. The passenger seat is made in the form of a chaise lounge chair and has a retractable leg support. The seats are basically a full-size soft and comfortable sofa. The smart suspension system ensures that you don't feel any vibrations, even when driving rough terrain. It's no worry that each passenger has its own sound, so this means that everyone can listen to or watch their own concept without disturbing others. The drive range is 800 kilometers, and the maximum speed is 200 kilometers per hour. BMW Vision M next. This vehicle was created to show you how digital technology could make your driving experience move. According to the philosophy of this concept car, the driver's comfort is the most important thing. So the vehicle meets all of their needs and desires. This means that the driver only has to focus on driving. Interestingly enough, the exterior design is not the result of teamwork. Being boosted HAT module supports the user during the journey and provides the necessary information about the road and the surroundings in a matter of seconds. There was a competition between BMW designers. The best design was finally adopted. It took 18 months to turn the Vision M next to a man idea into a real process. The Nissan ID's concept. We've reached the last car on our list. This is another concept vehicle, this time by the specialists of the Japanese brand also wanted to show us their plans for the future. And it's obviously electric self-driving vehicles with zero emissions. The main feature of Ideas is its ability to imitate the driving style of its owner. The car speeds up, brakes and makes turns just like its own, so they won't feel any difference from their own driving style and will be as comfortable as possible in the manual mode. You don't have to worry about safety. The smart system continues to control the ride and can help the driver in case of emergency. Because I becomes a companion is able to tell you about both the road conditions and your plans. Special attention should be paid to the cabin in the pilot drove mode. When activated, there's more free space as the steering wheel is hidden. The seats can also be turned inwards to talk to the other person without being distracted by the road.